Once in a lifetime, you all use Windows Movie Maker for editing. If yes, you can feel my pain. But in the last couple of years, you don't want to be like me. Editing video is quite frustrating. When we start editing, it takes million, billion and trillion of years to edit one particular video. As you don't know me, and no one wants to know me. But I improve my workflow with 5 amazing tips that I'm going to tell you in Premiere Pro. Yes, in Premiere Pro. What all are you thinking? Number 1. Plan before editing. Do not jump directly in editing without plan. Always select your stock footage or shoot your stock footage and make a list that which footage you are using for editing and stack those clips into folder. Create some bullet points that how you want the footage to represent in your video. Otherwise it will take a lot of time, guys. Maybe a day or week to done your editing. Number 2. Keyboard shortcut. Why on earth you use this panel? Stop doing it. Instead use this small tiny button on keyboard. Any editing software have keyboard shortcut, and when you open this you probably thinking how I memorize this. But there's a fast way to memorize this. If you know, please let me know in the comment box. You can customize the keyboard shortcut, and without touching your mouse it will be a lot fast to edit. And you don't have to memorize all the shortcut. Just simply hit Q button on keyboard, which trim the video to left, and W for right. C for cut. Use Alt plus drag to duplicate the clip. Hit enter to render, and many other shortcuts. And trust me, if you know few of these, editing will become far more quicker. Number 3. Organize your work. Stop it. Yes. You're probably thinking every YouTuber is saying just to organize your work like this, blah 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 blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
I don't say blah blah blah.
But guess what? They are right. Organizing your work is very big help in your editing workflow. Make different folder for different things like sound, music, footage, and drag it to your Premiere panel and it replicate the same. And you can use thumbnail option to recognize which footage is which and where to use, and trust me, it will reduce a lot of time to editing. Number 4. Create a template or use plugin. Yes, you want to speed up your workflow, you need to start using templates. Creating any effect, it will take a lot of time. Rather than doing this, create preset or use templates. And where you gonna find templates? Simply just type free templates in YouTube. You get bunch of templates that the creator is providing to you. Number 5. Practice a lot and get rid of distraction. Yes, while editing, you pretty much distracted from your mobile phone or any work. So to minimize this, you can put your mobile just away from you and delay your other work after you're done with your editing. And for editing, use PC or laptop. In mobile, it will take a lot of time than Windows Movie Maker. And practice a lot, because practice make you better. And let me know if you like this video. And give me feedback if you want this type of video. And subscribe to my channel also. Please. See you next week. Bye bye guys.